In today's modern life, woodworking machines are an essential tool for all woodworking factories, as well as for those with a hobby related to wood. These machines come in many different sizes and types, and are designed to make the process of woodworking easier and more efficient, creating a complete product that is both functional and visually appealing. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for amazing experiences with this machine line. Woodworking machines are the backbone of any successful woodworking business. Even if you're just a woodworking enthusiast, learning about high-quality woodworking machines is essential. The following video will provide you with a comprehensive overview of the woodworking process, from harvesting, sawing, and crafting into finished products. Who knows? It may bring you valuable knowledge and wonderful experiences in life. The Hurdle Machine Magnum LT Double Cut Band Mill is one of the key pieces of equipment in modern wood production. It is used to cut wood into specified thickness and width. Controlled by an operator in the control room, the machine operates quickly and precisely. Designed with high durability and load-bearing capacity, the machine can operate continuously without performance issues. Equipped with powerful motors and sturdy conveyor systems, it can handle both hard and thick wood. The machine components are made of high-quality materials that are impact-resistant and wear-resistant, allowing the machine to operate reliably for a long time. Advanced technology is applied to ensure precise and uniform wood cutting, optimizing the production process and saving time, labor, and costs. This is the wood planing process at the wood factory in England. After the wood pieces are pushed onto the conveyor belt, the sharp blades of the planing machine plane off the rough, hard outer layer, leaving behind smooth, polished wood pieces. The accumulation of wood chips on the conveyor belt, which are transported to the company's collection yard, reflects the working capacity of the machine. These wood chips can be reused to produce furniture, biomass fuel, or used as sawdust. Reusing these wood chips helps reduce waste and protect the environment. After the wood pieces have been planed, they go through the production line to be cut into small pieces according to the customer's requirements. The production process is comprehensive with a team of professional workers. The finished products are truly amazing. Each wood piece is packaged according to different standards and shipped to the end consumer for various purposes. Isn't it wonderful? Transporting massive logs weighing tons with enormous dimensions to the wood cutting machine is a highly demanding task that requires professional skills and extreme precision. To accomplish this task, the skilled worker must perform the operation with absolute accuracy. First, a crane truck will be used to move the log to the cutting machine position. The team of workers will carry out careful procedures to ensure safety for everyone and to guarantee the quality of the cut wood. The logs will be cut into predetermined sizes, with sharp blades measuring over 1 meter in length and 2 rotating chains operating at high speed. The enormous logs are quickly processed into small wood planks according to the predetermined size in production. The crane machine lifts the cut planks from the cutting position and continues to divide them into smooth wooden bars. The process takes place quickly and the finished product is truly amazing, isn't it? Allendale is home to some of the largest scale wood manufacturing plants in the United States, producing diverse wood products from various types of wood. The wood production process at the plant begins with the logging process, as logs are lifted and conveyed to the production line. Then, the logs are cut into smaller pieces and sent through a planer to remove the bark and create a smooth, shiny surface. The cut pieces are then sized and shaped using state-of-the-art cutting machines and sharp blades with high precision, allowing for a fast production process. Each piece of wood is cut into uniform-sized and evenly thick planks, which are then sent to the processing machines to produce wood products such as plywood, furniture, and other wood products for everyday use. The production process at Allendale is performed by experienced and professionally trained workers. The wood products produced here meet high quality and environmental safety standards, ensuring customer satisfaction. Different processing machines have different sizes and unique features. Skilled workers in the wood manufacturing industry must also be trained with meticulous attention to detail. The combination of modern machinery and human labor has created efficient and reliable work performance. How fascinating! So don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting information in life. Bye!